The sun was setting over New York City. Emma and Liam walked along the Hudson River side by side. The air was cool and calm. The city was busy behind them, but here, by the water, everything felt quiet. They had met 6 months ago at a small art gallery. At first, it was simple conversations about painting, then coffee, then long walks. Slowly, friendship had turned into something deeper. Tonight, they were walking without speaking much. Words felt heavy. Both knew that something important had to be said. Liam stopped and looked at Emma. "I need to tell you something," he said softly. Emma turned to him. Her heart beat faster. "Yes?" she asked. "I got an offer," he said. "A job in Boston. It starts next week." Emma's chest tightened. She had hoped this moment would never come. "Boston?" she whispered. "Yes," Liam replied. "I want this job. It's my dream, but I don't want to lose us." Emma looked at the river. The water reflected the orange and pink sky. "I don't want to lose us either," she said. "But this is your chance." They walked slowly. Silence filled the space between them. Both thought about the months they had spent together, the laughter, the quiet nights, the small moments that now felt huge. Liam took Emma's hand. "I love you," he said, "but I have to go." Tears filled Emma's eyes. She squeezed his hand. "I love you too," she said. "I'll wait. If it's meant to be, we'll find a way." They stayed on the riverbank as the sun disappeared. The city lights began to sparkle. For a moment, it felt like time had stopped. Liam pulled Emma close. "Promise me something," he whispered. "Anything," she replied. "Promise me we'll keep trying, no matter the distance." Emma nodded. "I promise." They held each other, breathing in the last warmth of the day. Soon, life would pull them apart, but tonight, by the river, love felt strong enough to hold them together. As the stars appeared in the sky, they walked back slowly, hand in hand, ready to face the challenges ahead, knowing love was worth the wait. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe